What's up everyone, Garrett O'Leary here with LiveOak Fiber. We are happy to announce that our website, www.liveoakfiber.com, is live. On our website, you can sign up for updates, stay up to date on new products and services, and most importantly, check for availability of our fiber optic broadband internet services in your neighborhood. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for availability for your address on our website. So let's head to the computer and I'll show you how to do it. First things first, go ahead and type in www.liveoakfiber.com into your URL search bar on your favorite browser. Once you are on the site, go ahead and click on any of the check availability buttons on the home page. The next step you will need to take is to start inputting your property address, your unit number if that applies to you, your zip code, and mark whether the property is residential address or a business address. If you live in an apartment or condo complex, you will mark that as residential. After you input this information, click Go. The following screen will have a satellite image of the address you submitted to confirm you inputted the correct address. If the address is incorrect, you can drag and drop the blue pin to the correct service address. Click Next when you are ready to move on. The next screen will determine if our services are available to you. There are 4 different messages that can appear here. The first being that services are available. The second will say we have designated your area as where our services will be available soon. The third message will state that we have no immediate plans to serve your area, but hope to in the future. The fourth and final message will indicate that we have no immediate plans to serve your area. If you see this screen, then great. Your address is eligible for LiveOak Fiber services. Take a moment to fill out your email address, first and last name, phone number, and update your billing address if it is different than your service address. After that, click Next. From there, you'll select the plan that best serves your needs. LiveOak Fiber offers speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second and/or plans that are as low as $55 per month. Now, if you saw the second message, then you will also submit your contact information so we can update you on when services will become available. You will also be asked to fill out a survey so we can gauge how to best serve you. If you saw the third message, you will also be asked to submit your contact information so that if our plans change and services will be brought to your area, you'll be updated. If your screen displayed the fourth and final message, then please submit your contact information so you can stay up to date. But that's it. That's how easy it is to check availability for LiveOak Fiber on our website. So head over to liveoakfiber.com to check availability, sign up, and stay updated on everything LiveOak Fiber.